Welcome to Wealth Engineer. Today we'll discuss about swing trading strategy. This strategy is mainly useful for part-time traders who are employees working in companies, so they cannot devote much time to the candlestick trading. So they can use this kind of strategy for additional income. Okay, so this strategy was not framed by me. It is framed by one of the some other person called Ichimoku Telugu. So from that, so this credit goes to Ichimoku Telugu. Okay, and then let me go to this strategy. Okay, let me hide the candles first, and I'll explain the strategy, and then I'll go step by step. The first thing is the time frame. What we need to use, daily time frame we need to use. Okay, that is the first step. Daily time frame we'll use. Okay, and then next we'll use monthly CPR. Okay, so this is the monthly CPR. For the entire month you will have only 3 lines on the CPR, so this is called monthly CPR. Okay, and the third one is the CPR has to be in Morningstar setup. That means like this, and like this. Okay, so for CPR you will have 3 lines now. 3 lines, 3 lines, 3 lines. So it has to be like this. Okay, if you connect the dots, it has to be like this, like a swing low. So what are the 3 conditions? I am reiterating again. So first you should have one daily time frame. Your entry exit will based on daily time frame. Second one, you will use monthly CPRs. Okay, third one, CPR has to be in Morningstar setup. See this one, this is CPR is lesser than this CPR is more than this. Okay, so the middle CPR has to be lesser than this CPR and this CPR. That forms the Morningstar setup. Morningstar, you are aware now, one bullish candle, one doji candle, one bearish one bearish candle, one bullish candle, one doji candle, and one bullish candle. So it has to be like this. So when you connect that one, it has to be like form like a V shape. Okay, so then it will be our setup will fall. So let me switch on the candles. Okay, yeah, so see, we have a monthly CPR here, previous month, that is February month. Okay, and then March month is lesser than this, April month is higher than the middle one. Okay, so this forms the correct setup. And the monthly candle, first daily candle of the month, if closes above the CPR, you'll go long if it is a bullish candle. So here where, so this is the bullish candle. Okay, here you'll go long. Where is your stop loss? This is your stop loss. The bottom line is there, right? That is the stop loss. So you'll entry at the first bullish candle of the month, and then your stop loss is at the bottom candle, bottom CPR. Okay, here what is your risk? The risk is around 5%. It is pretty much very good one. Okay, the risk is very 5%. Okay, what is the reward you got? See, this month you got a profit, and next month, yeah, next month it has closed below C. Okay, here you have CPR, right? And next month it is also gone upside. This is your stop loss. Okay, you have a good profit here. Okay, so this is the current one. It is almost in the June 26th, 25th, 25 now. So what is the profit you got now? Where did you enter? Yeah, you enter here, and you got a profit of 20%. Within 3 months you got 20%. That's a good one. That's a huge return you can expect. Okay, even though if you hit the stop loss, if something happens wrong and if you hit the stop loss, the stop loss will be only 5%. Okay, only 5%. And how you need to take the stop loss? It has to be on the daily closing basis. Okay, so let me go to one more chart. Yeah, DMAT chart. So you are all aware of DMAT, right? That is a strong fundamental company as well, and it formed here. So May CPRC, it's higher one, June one is lower, July is again higher. It is June 2020. Okay, so where you will take the trade? Let me zoom in for you. Okay, let me replay it. Maybe you'll feel somewhat better by replaying the chart. Okay, so I'll have more speed. See, so this form descending CPR, and you should have one ascending CPR. Yeah, first day of the candle. Okay, this is July 1st candle, and you have ascending CPR, right? So this forms the setup, and you have bullish candle too. So you'll go long here, keep the stop loss below. Okay, now what is your risk? Let me keep this long position, and then the stop loss is here. So stop loss is 5.2 percentage, that is 74 rupees is our stop loss. So we can expect at least some 20 percentage gain. Okay, yeah, 20% gain. Let's see what happens. Just a moment. Here, did it hit your stop loss? No. Is there any candle closing below BC on daily closing basis? No. See, this candle has closed above BC, right? Next day it opened here. It is not closing, it is opened here. Okay, there is a huge buying pressure generated here. Okay, so even this candle also has not your stop loss. Okay, it has to close below BC. It has not hit your stop loss. Okay, so still you are riding the profits. Let's see. Next day you have got a huge return. Next month, yeah, now you entered into September month. Okay, now where is our stop loss? So from here the stop loss has moved to here. Okay, now from here the stop loss has moved to here. So in this way you can lock your profits. You no need to leave the entire profits to the market. You can lock your profits. So whenever any candle closing below this one, immediately you go for booking your profits, whatever you get. Okay, already you got a profit from here to here. So at any cost you will not be in loss, right? Okay, let's see. Oh, it already hit our target of 20% and it has gone very upside. Okay, in this strategy minimum, if it is a very good strong fundamental company, you'll get 1:5. Okay, always try to select the stocks from Nifty 200 or Nifty 100 or Nifty 50. Don't select any junk stocks. Okay, some garbage stocks will be there which are pump and dive type. Don't select that. You have to select only Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 200. That's it. Close. Select the stocks in 50, 100 and 200. Okay, see, and if there is any huge move in that particular month, you can book the profits at R3, at R4 of the monthly candle. Okay, and there you can exit it. If you want to still trailing the stop loss or no, still it has not hit your stop loss, but let's see for, up to where it goes. See, even in this month your stop loss has moved from here to here. Okay, now already next month candle CPR has formed, so now from here to here. So now this is your stop loss. If any candle closing below this one, you'll exit. Let's see what happens. Yes, this candle has closed below monthly candle, so the monthly CPR below bottom one, so you'll exit here. Okay, now what is the profit you got? So you got a profit of 31%. Such a simple strategy, you no need to break your heads. Such a simple strategy, you will get huge returns. In 3 to 4 months you got 30%, means that is a huge return. Okay, and you will wait for opportunity. No, don't worry, you can wait for the opportunity. See, after you are booking the profits, what will happen? Market has moved into some sideways. Okay, it is not making any ascending CPR, not making any descending CPR. It has went to some sideways. Okay, let me go to one more stock. I'll explain there. Maybe Hindustan Unilever. Yeah, I'll explain this stock, and we will try to wind up this strategy. Okay, here you have December month CPR descending and ascending. Okay, so this forms the setup. So where is the first candle? Okay, let me bar reply this. 1st February. Where is January? This is December, this is January. Okay, this is February. So next month is February. This formed the setup, and Hindustan Unilever is a good company. This has made a very strong bullish candle. Okay, and your stop loss should be here. This is very huge stop loss in my view. You may wait for the at least you may wait for the pullback up to here at least. If you find any bullish candle here, then you can go for long here. So entering here, no, it is very risky in my yeah, I think it has not given any pullback, right pullback, so you can leave that one. Yeah, so again you have made one descending CPR and one ascending CPR, and you have one bullish candle closing above monthly CPR. Here you will go long, here you will keep your stop loss. Let's see what happens now. See how beautifully it took the support from CPR. Even though there is a selling pressure, it took support from CPR, it bounced back. Okay, and here after a month it got closed below monthly CPR. Here you will exit the profit. Okay, I think in this position you have very less profit and very close to cost, right? That's okay, fine. None of the strategies works 100%. You need to see only the risk to reward. As long as the risk to reward is in favor, it's okay, you'll be in profitable. Okay, let me go to Tata Motors if there is any opportunity, and we'll wind up this. Where is the Morningstar setup? Yes, here you have one Morningstar setup. See, this CPR is lesser than this CPR is higher than this. Okay, so okay, let me yeah, yes, have you seen this CPR lesser than this? Okay, next candle, this is CPR. Okay, one candle is closing above CPR, but this is not a bullish candle, remember. So just wait for the right opportunity. And one kind of doji kind of candles, you don't have any strength, and one bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle, doji candle, bearish candle. Yeah, one green candle, but still it is not in strength. Yeah, one bullish candle. You find one bullish candle here, go long. Okay, keep the stop loss here. So what is the risk you have? Risk to reward. Let me keep this risk to reward, go long, keep the stop loss here. Your risk is 12%. Let's see where it goes. You can trail your profits. See, it has took the support from monthly CPR BC, and then it has shooted up. It has not hit your stop loss. Your stop loss is day closing basis, right? See how fast it went, and then move. Wow, huge returns, right? By this time itself you should have got huge returns. So it is almost 90%. Wow, still it has not hit your stop loss. Where is your stop loss? Your stop loss from there to it has to move to here, and then from here to here. Okay, if any candle closing below this, you can exit. Yes, you have a candle closing below CPR, so you will exit here. So what is the risk, means what is the final one you got? It is around 65%. In how much time? 1 2 3, yeah, in 3 months time you got 65%. It's a huge return. Okay, none of the mutual funds will give you this. So if you handle little bit of time, okay, and if you understand this, it is very simple, and you will get a good returns by using this swing trading strategy using monthly CPR. I hope you like this content. If you find this content useful, please share to your friends, and please subscribe and like the